Have you ever seen lava like this before? If not, I'm about to show you something incredible. There are many volcanoes in the world that regularly erupt and spew molten lava, which is what we're seeing here. But every once in a while, a volcano will erupt in an entirely different way, and this is one of those rare occasions. If we take a moment to look closely at this lava, we can see that it isn't flowing in a calm and relaxing manner. Instead, it seems almost as if it's boiling. And then all of a sudden, the lava violently explodes and sends rocks flying hundreds of meters into the air. It looks like a mixture between water boiling over on a stove and a massive fireworks display. But what exactly is happening here, and what makes lava explode like this? To understand what's going on, let's first take a closer look at lava itself. Most of us probably think of lava as being one uniform substance. But did you know that there are actually two very distinct types of lava? The first is called Pahoehoe lava, which is characterized by its smooth and ropey texture. This type of lava is relatively slow-moving and is the result of low viscosity. In other words, it has a low resistance to flow. Pahoehoe lava is typically found at the summit of shield volcanoes such as Mauna Loa in Hawaii. The second type of lava is called Ea, which is rough, jagged, and blocky in appearance. Ea lava is more viscous than Pahoe lava, which makes it more likely to trap gases and create explosive eruptions. It's this trapped gas that can cause the violent explosions we see in the video. As the lava rises up through the volcano, the pressure from the weight of the overlying lava squeezes the gases out of the magma. This creates bubbles of gas, which can be quite large. When the bubbles reach the surface, they expand rapidly and burst, causing small explosions. However, if the gas bubbles are too large or the magma is too viscous, the pressure can become too great and cause a more violent eruption. But there's another factor that can also play a role in these explosive eruptions. Sometimes the magma contains small amounts of water, which can cause even more steam to be generated as the lava cools. This additional steam can contribute to the violent boiling and explosion of the lava. Volcanoes that produce this type of lava are known as stratovolcanoes or composite volcanoes. They are typically tall and conical in shape and are the most dangerous type of volcano because they can produce both lava flows and explosive eruptions. Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Vesuvius in Italy are two famous examples of stratovolcanoes. Now you might be wondering, why do volcanoes erupt in the first place? Well, it all has to do with pressure. As we saw earlier, when magma rises up through a volcano, the pressure from the weight of the overlying rock squeezes the gases out of the magma. However, if the magma is deep enough, the pressure can become so great that it forces the magma to move upward, creating an eruption. In the case of the Hawaiian volcanoes, the magma is so hot that it melts through the oceanic crust like butter through hot toast. This allows the magma to rise up relatively easily and produce lava flows. However, in places where the crust is thicker or stronger, such as Mount Fuji or Mount Vesuvius, the pressure from the magma can build up much more quickly. If the pressure becomes too great, it can cause an explosive eruption that can send ash and rock miles into the air. Explosive eruptions are often caused by a buildup of pressure beneath the Earth's surface. As magma rises up through the crust, it can become trapped, and the pressure from the overlying rock can cause the magma to solidify. This creates a blockage in the volcano's vent, which can cause pressure to build up. Eventually, the pressure becomes too great, and the volcano erupts violently. So there you have it. Next time you see a video of lava erupting, you'll know exactly what to look for to see if it is one of these rare explosive eruptions. Thanks for watching.